I made smoked tomahawk steaks with the smoked cowboy butter, roasted parmesan butter and garlic potatoes, and we're gonna chow this. I'm gonna use olive oil as my binder, and then I'm gonna get my spice on that I got from America. I'm using KC Butt Spice from Austin, Texas. Let's try this out. I needed to get my steaks properly spiced, so I put my shaker high and got this fully covered. Got it onto the fat, got it all around the steak, and then it was time to build my fire. I'm using wood for this. It actually took really long because the previous fire didn't work, so we started again and got this nice and smoky. Once that was done, I added my thermometer into my steak because I had to get these steaks done perfectly, so I had to use a thermometer. Then I put my steaks on away from the heat and added some apple and cherry wood to smoke it. We're smoking this on my kettle braai, low and slow. It was then time to make my cowboy butter. I'm not going to give you the whole recipe because I have made a video about it, but it's pretty simple and I'll show you now how to do it. Once I got all my vegetables and things ready, it was time to make it. Added half a pound of butter, lemon zest, parsley, chives. Then I added a little bit of garlic. It wasn't actually a little bit, it was a lot. And then I added my thyme. After that, it was time for my spices. So I started off with cayenne pepper, paprika. Then it was time for a little bit of pepper. After that, added a touch of salt, some Dijon mustard, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Cowboy butter was ready. But this is gonna be different. We're not just making a standard cowboy butter. I wanted to smoke it. So I got a piece of charcoal, put it in, and I smoked that bad boy. Then it was time to get my potatoes ready. So I'm doing something delicious with these potatoes. What I added is some butter, some lemon, and a lot of Parmigiano Reggiano. If you're in the eastern northern suburbs and you want to get Parmesan, go to Super Sconto in Orange Grove, the best. Once the potatoes were partially cooked, I added the lemon butter and Parmesan, and then it was time to roast in the oven for some deliciousness. Once the delicious steaks had come up to temperature, it was time to put on a sear. I like to use flames for this. It gives a nice crispy, even sear all the way around. I got my smoked cowboy butter. I got my smoked tomahawk steak. Let's put these two together. Oh yes. For those who always ask what knives I use, I generally get my Japanese knives from Kitchen Samurai. They've now opened in Johannesburg at Hyde Park Shopping Center, and you can see every single one of my knives is sharp as hell and slides through anything I try to cut. It was time to add the last little dribbles of butter and my food was ready. There's our meal. Cheers, everybody. Fuck me, that's good, bro. I really am loving the smoky flavor that this brings. It's so incredible with all the different flavors that hit your mouth at the same time, from lemon to paprika to parsley to chives. Wow, what an insane, incredible dish. Super proud of myself. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Thanks for watching, everybody, and keep on cooking, you beautiful people.